to get to set up event tracking, we need to go to our events manager, and then we need to click the pixel for which we want the event to be set up, right? So just click the pixel here, as you can see, right? So let me show that here. I went to the events manager. Facebook has recently updated its interface. So yep, now as we come to the events manager, we click this pixel. So this is our pixel, right? For which we have been using our tracking, right? Then we will click setup here, okay? Then once we click setup, we will click manual install code, right? Correct.
Right.
And, this is where you find your pixel. Let me control your computer, okay?
Okay.
So, I'll just scroll down, okay? Now this would be your code which you already have, right? In save, right? So I would suggest you to copy this code. Please copy this code, the second one, yep, this one, and put it in Notepad quickly. It's already copied.
Okay.
Clipboard. Put it in a Notepad.
Okay.
Perfect. Now this pixel will actually go to the header section of your front-end landing page. Okay. Now we need to set up the event tracking, right? The lead event tracking. So what we will do is we will simply scroll down.
Lost your voice there, Nina.
Yeah. So we will scroll down, then we will click continue here. Okay. Click continue. Let's come down here. Now we need to set up the lead event tracking, right? So we will switch this button on, lead.
Okay.
Okay, correct. Now before I guide you with this, let me tell you a few advanced things, okay? Let's say you want to set up purchase event tracking. You will turn this particular button on and copy that code, right? Correct. So you pretty much, I've pretty much explained everything in those Facebook training videos on how to set up tracking, right? So there's like add to cart tracking. I have explained that, right? How to put this purchase event on your final thank you page after the person purchases that, right? Correct. So you take all those events from here, right? So in this case, as we would be just tracking the lead, so we will put this, we will turn this on, lead event tracking. Okay, we will scroll down. Okay, we will copy this code, right? This FBQ track. Okay, remember these words, FBQ track, right? So we will copy this code. Now put that in your Notepad. Make sure you don't put any spaces. Just hit enter. Hit enter.
Oh, don't put any spaces.
No. First hit enter 3 times.
Okay.
Yep. Now paste. Okay, cool. Now let me write something here so that you can pretty much remember and don't get confused on the technical part of this. Okay, so this code, the above code will always go on your front end page. Okay, this code. And the lead event pixel will always go on your so let's say if you're tracking leads, so the person will land on the thank you page, right? Correct.
Okay.
Thank you page. So if you're tracking leads, this will go into your thank you page for your survey offer. Correct. Let's say if you're tracking purchases, right? So so you will copy the purchase code, put it here, and that purchase code will go to the thank you page after the person orders your product, and he's taken to a different page, right? Correct. So that code goes on the last page. So the events codes always go on the last page. Correct. Okay. So for now, don't get confused. Let's just follow the process. This will go on our thank you page, right? So please save this Notepad.
Yeah, and let me separate this.
So what we're going to do is this is our front page. Okay, so we're going to click this plus sign here. Okay, and then let's change the name of this page. Like it says default rather than. I'll go to the settings. Okay, now I'll give this as. So you see it says default here, right? So I need to say here survey pay top 5 surveys, right?
Okay, you get
And
6.
then,
Put
oh,
put
sorry.
5 up.
Okay, cool. Top 5 surveys.
Okay.
Okay, now scroll down. Okay. Yep. Now you see Facebook pixel script. You see that? That's the header section.
Oh. Okay. So we need to
Correct.
get this. We need to get this stuff right here.
It's in your notepad. Yep. Copy.
Okay.
Put it there.
Wait,
Click
let's
there
see.
and paste. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now let me check it if there is all is good here. Let me scroll down and check it.
Okay.
Facebook pixels scripts. Okay, all good for this one. And our script is there. Cool. So then we will click save. Okay. Now I'll just now we need to check if our pixel is properly installed. Okay, now we are on this landing page right now that we on which we just installed the pixel. Now we will click here. You see the pixel helper on the right. We click here,
Yeah.
we see the page view pixels installed, right? Now
Okay.
now we are sure that the install is the pixel is installed perfectly, right? Okay, cool. Now we are on the thank you page. Now what we're going to do is we are going to click this. I'm controlling computer.
Okay.
We're going to click this. Okay. This says blank 006. So we're going to change the name here. Go to settings here. Okay. I'll just change the name. Let's say thank you. Okay, cool.
Thank you, survey. Something like that.
Let's come back. Okay, let me control your computer. Okay. I'll just type in first. HANK, thank you, right? And I'll just remove this now.
You want to put survey on the end of that so I'll know which thank you page it is.
Let me first make sure that nothing goes wrong. Thank you.
Okay.
Survey. Okay. And now what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down. Okay. Correct. And you're going to put that lead event in this section here, Facebook pixel section. Okay. So just copy that lead event from your notepad. Paste it. Perfect. Now scroll down and click save. Okay. And now, yep. Perfect. So let me guide you on. Let me guide you with that. Okay.
Okay.
So number one, what I did is you need to actually just go to open the notepad. Open the notepad. The pixel notepad. Yep. Now come down. No. Don't do anything here.
Don't
come
change
at the extreme bottom. Come at the extreme bottom. Hit enter and mark a line, space line there. Okay. Put a line break. Now come down and now press control paste. Just paste what you have in your clipboard. Paste it.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I need to show you something here. What I actually did. Okay.
Okay.
You see this FBQ track lead, right? You see this part, correct? Okay. So basically, I copied this part. Okay, just this part, FBQ track lead. Okay, and I simply.
No, it's in the bottom one.
Let me help you with that. Let me help you.
Okay.
Okay, I'm showing you.
Okay.
So, I actually copied that and then I came here, FBQ track page view. Okay, cool. And I simply replaced it with that this pixel, right? So basically I pasted it here. Okay,
Why do they make it so difficult? How did you know to change it?
because I know coding,
Well, it's a good thing you do.